Pathfinder 317 Explosive Scalper. The ultimate non-repaint indicator for scalping, day trading and swing trading. This is part 2 of the backtesting video where we examine 43 consecutive trade signal moves on Ger40 from the latter part of January 22nd to January 29th, 2025. You may want to watch part 1 if you haven't done so already, where we examine the performance of this phenomenal indicator on the first 10 trade signals. Follow along as we jump right in. We have here Ger40 5-minute time frame. We're backtesting Pathfinder 317 ES indicator on this index from the latter part of January 22nd to the 29th, 2025. These two dynamite signals were generated in part 1 of this video where they maxed out at the level marked by the red horizontal line shown above. Needless to say, these moves are simply phenomenal. Moving right along, let's examine the rest of the 43 successive trade signals continuing from where we left off. That is, signal 11. As usual, we will monitor and measure all trade signal moves from either the signal candle open or from the next signal candle open to obtain the maximum gains. The move that goes against each signal will be shown as negative values after the /. Note that this epic indicator is applicable to a variety of markets. Check out the channel playlists for live chart videos on various instruments. If you find this video informative, please give it a like, comment, and share with others. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and click on the notification bell to be notified of future videos as well as the free upcoming TTAC live sessions, where we will be exploring the markets collectively by employing this Tekyrithmics flagship market solution. Be sure to attend these live sessions. You'll never look back. "43 epic trade signals in a row, where the measured move gains for each signal is greater than the corresponding negative move. The big question is, can you nail this like a real pro? All that is needed is 1 or 2 high-probability trade setups a day and be done and dusted. Studying how the markets move in conjunction with this high-performance indicator, you'll gain a competitive edge in these unsparing markets. Share your thoughts in the designated comments section. We did get a good number of dynamite signals here, with little to no drawdown. This is so amazing! Armed with proper risk management, astute traders could capitalize on these trade opportunities, make sniper entries, maximize profits along the way, and exit the market unscathed. Note that all these trade signals remain intact post factum. Watch the channel playlist videos on demonstrations of the non-repainting feature of this indicator. Here is an update on the buy signals right from signal 20. You may want to verify this on your charts. The market made a further upward move beyond the high made on January 29th shown here, right to the high made on January 31st, 2025, without making any retracements below the low made at 7:05 a.m. GMT +2 on January 30th, marked by this white dashed line level. This upward move offered an extra 127 points for all relevant buy signals. This means that even signal 43, which was late to the party, offered a decent 145-point move with a negative move of 36 points. Not bad at all. Thanks for watching. If you found this video insightful, give it a like, comment and share with others. Subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell to be notified of future videos as well as the free upcoming TTAC live sessions. See you in the next one.